I'm sure all the participants must have few questions in their mind, and to seeking the answers of those questions, we are interacting with each other to have a better understanding what is going on and what we should have in the future. For that matter, if we look into the significance of policy, policy is sort of skeleton, and you guys are here to fill the colors, to make it more plausible, more workable, and more doable for the benefits of the society. And for that matter, I'll try to explain in 2-3 minutes. You see, if we look into a river has two banks. And if those two banks are not there, river is not river. Water will be scattered and will have no shape. So, first bank is the regulatory framework under which we have to stand and we have to navigate ourselves, and agreed upon that this is the limit. Second bank is the commercial angle, workable angle, wherein we could confine ourselves that we have these rules, regulations, and limitations. Then through this dialogue, through these discussions, you will decide that flow of the water, working stream, will be noisy, will be smooth, will not be coming out of the banks. So that is the prime objective of this discussion, of this session, that we should all have a uniformity, a synchronized approach, and through discussions, if there is some wrinkle, we would be able to iron, and instead of in future, we could go and see some unpleasant situations. To avoid that, I think this is very good opportunity that we should define our two banks of the river. That in this sector, ICT, which is most significant for the growth of this society, and I'm so pleased to see the energy level, the participation level, and enthusiasm. And that spirit is required to take off and to take this country to the next levels. And only you guys can do that. And we are just here to facilitate that how we can go together and we can have better banks, and we could decide that how the flow of the stream for the current time and for the days to come, how that will be. I hope to some extent I was communicative enough, despite the fact that I have taken my breakfast, but still I'm feeling a bit thirsty, so I'll beg leave now. Thank you.